Okay.
It's very straightforward. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so really quickly, Mon, do you want to go ahead and introduce yourself? Like name, major, where you're from, fun fact.
Okay, yeah. So, hi, my name is Aman. I'm currently a senior here at UC Davis. I'm double majoring in economics and statistics with a minor in technology management. Um, I am from Fremont, California, which is in the Bay Area. And a fun fact is I'm taking 24 units this quarter.
Oh my God. What are you taking?
I'm taking three stats classes and two economics classes.
Wow. Okay,
Mhm.
so I guess that leads us. What team are you on in Aggie Reuse?
I'm on the data analytics team.
Okay. What is your team working on right now?
Well, we just finished up the Mailchimp um stuff. So what Mailchimp is that like all the newsletters that you guys send out every 2 weeks, we get like analysis based on that. So like how many clicks, how many people are subscribing, how many people are unsubscribing. So we've been analyzing that data for the last 2 to 3 weeks, and we're gonna finish up a report about that hopefully by this Saturday, and then after that we'll start working on this one data set that Valerie gave me. It's based on like sales data from the last 2 to 3 years, and so we're going to be like analyzing that and and before hopefully get to some conclusion behind it because they like right before they move into the eco hub for the fall quarter, they really want to know like where they should place all the items, and so we're gonna base it off like all the like the hot commodities will be in the front compared to
Hmm.
like the more whack ones in the back.
Okay, cool. That's
Yeah.
cool.
Mhm.
What I guess like from that, like what have you like found out so far? Like okay, what's like our most selling item, I guess.
Well, the thing is, we haven't started on that yet. That's like the
Oh,
next
oh, you're
project.
right. You're
So
right.
yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. Well, that's cool.
Mhm.
Um, okay, my next question for you is how did you find out about Aggie Reuse? Why did you join?
I found out about, well, I mean, I always knew about the Aggie Reuse Store, because like I would always see people like go inside, like when classes were in person and stuff, but I never really knew that there was like internships or stuff like that. But
Hmm.
I think someone just advertised it on Instagram, and so I just decided to apply.
That's cool.
Mhm.
So how long have you been part of Aggie Reuse?
Just one quarter, just fall
Oh,
quarter.
okay. Cool.
Yeah.
Um, all right. Okay. What would you say is your favorite part about the unit?
Hmm. Well, the unit or like the team?
Like the team, like just I guess in general, Aggie Reuse.
Oh, I guess like helping out a nonprofit. I guess
Hmm.
like not a lot of people, like a lot of people really like chase like big Fortune 500 companies and stuff like that, and like money and like internships and stuff like that. But I think this is just as good as a way to gain experience in the field and also help a nonprofit. And it's like a nice hobby. It's just like a cool side thing for me to like learn more about data. So.
That's cool. Do you
Mhm.
want to like continue doing this stuff after college? Like, is this what you want to do your career in?
Yeah, I've already accepted a job offer, so
Oh, cool.
I
For
have
what?
Chevron as a data engineer.
Wow, that's so exciting.
Thank you.
Because are you graduating in spring?
This is my last quarter.
Oh, it is? Okay.
Yeah,
Wow. Are you feeling sad about that or how are you feeling?
I'm definitely not sad because of online
Okay.
schooling and all of that stuff. But I mean, if it was in person, I would definitely be sad. But
Yeah.
I'm excited for the future. But I will definitely miss Davis. That's for sure.
Yeah. That's cool. Where's the is it remote right now, the job offer or
Yeah. It'll be remote for like I think the first 3 to 4 months, but then I would have to go to San Ramon. I don't know if you know too much about the Bay Area, but
no, I'm
it's like,
from I'm from SoCal, but
oh, okay. It's like a 20-minute drive from San Francisco. So
okay. Oh my God,
it's
that's
right
so
next to where I
exciting.
live.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mm,
Oh, cool. That's perfect then. That's so
yeah.
exciting. Okay, another question I had for you is what have you been involved in before working with Aggie Reuse?
As in like job experience, like my resume.
Like, sure, or like anything else that like on campus or like
Okay, yeah. So I've been part of some clubs. I've been part of EVSA. I'm also currently still employed for like the last a year and a half. with two different research professors at Davis. One is with the Brown Lab, one is with the Trimmer Lab, and we're like using data to analyze almond trees for one of them, and for the other one, we're using data to understand more about like neurons and more like biotype data.
Wow, that's cool. That's cool.
Mhm.
That sounds like you have a like I feel like that's cool. I feel like and 24 units, I'm like
Yeah,
that's not
it's a bit too much,
yeah.
but yeah.
Um, okay, another question I had for you was what does a typical meeting look like for your team?
Well, I normally do like short meetings. Like I don't really
Okay.
like doing, like hour meetings. So I normally do like I would say like 20 to 30 minutes. And so we would just do like a rundown of like what we've done. I normally make them like present whatever they've done from like last week, or like whatever I've assigned them.
Hmm.
And then we would like analyze that stuff. We would talk about it, and then we would say like, oh, how can we do this better for next time? And then we would like discuss about it, and then we would go from there onto what the next thing is for the next part of the project.
Okay, cool. How many, and then this is just for me, I don't even know. How many people are on the data analytics?
I believe there's seven, not including me.
This okay, that's cool. Um, okay, so I know you've only been here for a quarter, but so far, what's been your biggest challenge that you face in this role?
Communication, I guess. This is my first time being like in a leadership type role, so it's a little tough in the beginning, but I think I'm starting to get used to it.
Okay, cool. And then what's something that you're really proud of that you've been working on?
At the Aggie Reuse Store.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so well, we haven't started working on it yet, but we'll start working on it like near the end of the quarter. But we devised a way of like, wait, I don't know, you're marketing, right? Does the
Hmm.
market is it the marketing people that like are in front of like the cash registers, or is it the sales?
That's sales.
Okay, so
Yeah.
we're thinking of like adding like QR codes because we've noticed that the sales team have like really struggled with like inventory, like putting in money, the inventory and stuff like that. And so what we made is like we're gonna think of like using QR codes. Have you heard of like QR codes? You know those
Hmm.
like little, yeah. So we're gonna use that for the interns. So like let's say like you want to buy a shirt and the universal. So we're making like a universal price, which is like $5 or something like that. And let's say it's like 10% off. So we're gonna make a QR code for 10% off. So where all they do is like take their phone and like they scan the barcode and it's gonna say 10% off, and it's going to do the calculation for them, so then they don't have to do the calculation for themselves. So it kind of
Okay.
removes the like if they don't know how to do like simple math, or like it, not only that, but it also removes, but I don't know how to explain it, I mean they
If they
do know how
can't
to
do
do it, but
math, like they
it's
can
kind of
just
like
scan it.
liability issues and stuff like that. So it's like way more straightforward, and
Okay.
it's easier for them to like just scan and figure it out.
Okay, that's cool.
Mhm.
Let's see. Um, when everything was in person, did you ever like buy anything at Aggie Reuse or you just like saw it?
I did not know. I saw it, but I just never bought anything. No.
Yeah. Okay. Um, but yeah, but anyways, great meeting you, and thank you so much for letting me interview you.
Of course, yeah. Nice meeting you too.